In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Notebooklm audio overviews languages. If you use Notebooklm's audio overviews to listen to summaries or explanations of your notes, setting the right language makes a huge difference in clarity and comfort. The good news is changing the language is fast and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to your Notebooklm. Open it the way you normally do and make sure you're on the main screen or inside any notebook. You don't need to open anything special for this. The setting we're changing is available from the general interface. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find the Settings option behind a gear icon, often in the top corner of the screen. Clicking it opens a panel or a page where you can fine-tune how Notebooklm behaves. This is where the language options live, along with other preferences. Inside Settings, look for Output Language. Depending on your version, it might read as Output Language or something very close to that. Click it to open the list of available languages. You'll see a range of options, and in some cases, you may notice regional variants like different forms of the same language. Choose the one that best matches how you want audio overviews to sound. When you see your preferred language, click it. In many interfaces, your selection applies immediately. If you see any on-screen prompt to confirm or apply, go ahead and accept it so the change takes effect. From now on, audio overviews generated by Notebooklm will use the language you just selected. This setting influences the spoken output for new overviews you create after the change. If you ever want to switch to another language, simply return to Settings, open Output Language again, and pick a different option. It's designed to be quick, so you can adapt your listening experience as your needs change. A quick tip: focus on choosing the language variant that matches your preferred accent or region if those options are available. That small detail can make the audio more natural and easier to follow. Also, the specific voice you hear may vary by language, but the output language setting is what ensures the content itself is presented in the language you choose. That's all there is to it. Go to Notebooklm, click Settings, click Output Language, and select your preferred language. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your audio overviews in the language that works best for you.